Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create my Google account. Creating a new Google account only takes a few minutes and there's no limit to the number of Google accounts you can have. A page will appear to sign in to your account or create a new one. Select Create option and then follow the on-screen instruction by entering your personal information, selecting a username and password, and completing the process by agreeing to the terms of service. If you happen to run into issues with service like Gmail, we have guides to help you get back on track. First, head into the settings of your device, then select Accounts. Tap on Add Account and select Google. Then pick Create Account. Now, follow on-screen instructions by entering your personal information, selecting a username, your password, etc. And last, tap the I agree button to create your Google account. It can be easier and faster to fill out forms and create an account using a computer and web browser. You can definitely do this whole thing online. Simply go to the sign up page and start filling out your information. This will include your name, username, and password. Google will ask you if you want to link your phone number to your account and offer other services. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.